Hi, this is Jenny from Leo CNC Machine Factory. Today, I'd like to introduce our wholesale product of 5-axis VMC855. Now, let's see the details of the machine.
VMC855 features a Siemens CNC system with touch screen and a swing arm movable control panel, offering you flexible and convenient options throughout the machining process. The machine has 210mm diameter 5-axis rotary table, and the spindle speed is 12,000 RPM. The machine reads standard 24 tool deep seat tie tool magazine for fast tool changes and continue options. Function flushing system to efficiently remove chip and keep the working area clean. Spindle oil cooler and automatic lubrication system to ensure consistent precision and long-term stability. Optional machine air conditioner for extra protection in high-temperature environment. Siemens motors and drivers, along with Schneider electric components. Key parts from trust international brands for enhanced reliability. If you are interested in learning more, follow and contact us for detailed product information.